Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Dodge Ram key fob. First, let's identify common issues like unresponsive buttons or reduced range. Often, the simplest fix is a dead battery. We'll show you how to open your key fob case and replace the old battery with a new one. Make sure to use the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032, and insert it with the positive side facing up for proper function. After replacing the battery, your key fob might need reprogramming to sync with your truck. We'll walk you through the specific steps for your Dodge Ram model, which usually involves a sequence of turning the ignition and pressing buttons. If reprogramming doesn't work, check for any physical damage to the buttons or casing. Sometimes a button can get stuck, preventing proper signal transmission to your vehicle. If battery replacement and reprogramming don't resolve the issue, it's time to look inside. Gently open the key fob to expose the circuit board. Inspect it for any visible damage, like corrosion or loose components. You can carefully clean the contacts with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. If you find significant damage or are uncomfortable with internal repairs, it's best to consult a professional locksmith or dealership. To prevent future key fob issues, proper care is essential. Always protect your key fob from water exposure and avoid dropping it frequently, as this can damage internal components. A simple silicone protective case can significantly extend its lifespan and prevent wear and tear. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. Also, for a fresh driving experience, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.